Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning. Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about favorite music, singers, and listening habits. Do you love listening to music?
Or do you want to talk about your favorite songs in English?
Today, we'll learn simple English for talking about music.
Let's begin.
Hi, do you like listening to music?
Hi. Yes, I love music. I listen to music every day.
Really? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and acoustic songs. What about you?
I enjoy pop music too, but I also like jazz and soft rock.
That's interesting. Who is your favorite singer?
I have many favorite singers, but I really enjoy listening to Adele.
Oh, I know Adele. She has a beautiful voice.
Yes, she does. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. His songs are easy to listen to.
That's true. What's your favorite song by Ed Sheeran?
I really like Perfect. It's a beautiful song.
I like that song too. Do you listen to music when you study?
Sometimes, I usually listen to soft music while studying.
Does music help you relax?
Yes, definitely. Music helps me feel calm and happy.
I feel the same way. I often listen to music before going to bed.
That's a good habit. Do you use Spotify or YouTube?
I usually use YouTube. What about you?
I use both. I like creating playlists.
That's fun. How many songs are in your favorite playlist?
Maybe around 50 songs.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, because I listen to different music depending on my mood.
What kind of music do you listen to when you're happy?
I listen to upbeat pop songs.
And when you're sad?
I listen to slow songs.
That's very common. Music can change our mood.
Absolutely. I can't imagine life without music.
Have you ever had a funny experience with music?
Yes, one day I was singing loudly with my headphones on.
Really? What happened?
I didn't know my family was listening to me.
Oh no! What did they say?
They laughed and asked me to become a singer.
That's funny. What's your favorite song or singer?
Tell us in the comments below.